Okay, now we're going to look at a cash collections, specifically cash collections of accounts receivable. And what we're going to look to do is build a schedule of when my actual cash is going to come in. So it's very common practice in the business world to sell things, what we call on account, basically extending credit or trade credit to our clients, our customers, letting them pay us, later for products that we have already delivered, products or services that we've already delivered. So that's great, and that's a common practice. But the issue comes with when is my actual money going to come in? Okay, what's the timing between the time I actually make the sale, record the revenue, and actually receive cash? So what this budget of the schedule is going to do is it's going to show us, okay, how much actual cash am I going to receive for a given month based on the fact that, I have sales from prior months that I'm going to receive in the future. So let's look at this. It says, Kahlua & Company is a legal services firm. All sales of legal services are billed to the client. There are no cash sales. Kahlua expects that on average, 20% will be paid in the month of billing, 50% in the month following billing, and 25% will be paid in the second month following billing for the next 5 months. For the next 5 months, the following sale billings are expected. So this is the monthly amounts that they're going to bill. So realize this is just how much I've billed, but I'm not actually going to get this money until later, right? This $84,000 in May, I'm going to receive 20% in the month of billing. So I'm going to get 20% of that in May. 50% I'm going to get of that 84,000. I'm going to get 50% of that in June, and we get the remaining 25% in July. So you can see already that makes it kind of convoluted. How much money am I actually going to get for a given month? So what this says is prepare a schedule to show the expected cash payments on accounts receivable for August and September. Say August and September. August and September. So I'm going to lay out the months that I'm going to get paid for, and I'll go in order: May, June, July, August, September. Okay, so in August, what actual cash am I going to see from which month? Well, I just said May, we're going to receive 20% in May, we're going to receive 50% in June, and receive the remainder in July. So I'm not going to get any cash in August from my May sales. So that one is zero. Obviously, September's after August, that one's also going to be zero. June. So for June, I'm going to receive 20% in June of this $100,800, 50% in July, and then 25% in August. There's my first amount. I need to take 0.25 times June's amount, and I'm going to receive that actual money in August. How much of July's money am I going to receive in August? Well, 20% I'm going to get in July, 50% I'm going to get in August. So I'm going to take 50% times July's. And then August amounts, I'm going to get 20% in August for my August sales. So I'm going to take 20% times my August sales. And obviously September would not have happened yet, so I'm not going to get anything from that. So my total cash collections is going to be the sum of August here, $81,060. So September, June, let's go back through this. June, we're going to get 20% of June's, 50% of June's going to be here, and the remainder is going to be in August, so we don't get any of June's payments in September because it's already paid off. July, 20% in July, 50% in August, 25% in September. So 25% times July sales or billing for $19,250. August, I'm going to get 20% in August, 50% in September. So 0.5 times August numbers gives me 43.4. In September, is a month of, I'm going to receive 20%. So 0.2 times September. So if you look at what this means and what this shows us is, for example, in August, I'm going to have $86,000 worth of sales, but I'm going to receive $81,000 worth of actual cash. So, the sales or my revenues, my billings don't necessarily match up to my cash. So this is really important because I have to have cash on hand in order to pay my bills. So this is a very important budget to make sure that I manage my cash flows. In September, notice I had $91,000 worth of billings or sales, but I'm only going to receive $80,000 in cash. So this is a good budget to pay attention to make sure that we can cover our cash expenses, liabilities, things like that, to make sure that I'm actually receiving cash in a timely manner and make sure that I can cover cash payments I need to make. And that is accounts receivable budget.